All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access if needed. For the purpose of this video, we're going to lean the dishwasher on its back. Just have some towels ready for any potential water. The middle rear adjustable leg, or foot, is found here. This shouldn't be confused with the white corner legs. With your flathead screwdriver, rotate clockwise to raise the foot all the way and out. The plastic gear wheel from inside the dishwasher will also drop out. Keep this to one side. Unpackage your new rear adjustable foot and leg. When inside the dishwasher, the rear foot connects to the plastic gear wheel as shown. Place the gear wheel inside and hold it in place, with the teeth closest towards you / the bottom of the dishwasher. Place the new foot in the base of the dishwasher and with your screwdriver, screw anti-clockwise to lower the foot. Take your time as this can take quite a few turns to go fully in and flush. Put the dishwasher back upright, and now you'll be able to adjust the rear middle foot along with the corner feet with a wrench to get your dishwasher nice and flat. And that's it. Your new adjustable rear foot is all set to go.